Buying a motorhome or camper van in 2025 is more than just a purchase. It's a lifestyle decision that blends freedom, travel, and comfort into one mobile package. This year's models reflect significant advancements in both technology and design, making the choice even more attractive for adventure seekers and practical travelers alike. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning to live full-time on the road, the 2025 offerings deliver a broad range of options that cater to every budget and preference. One of the first things that stands out when considering a 2025 motorhome or camper van is the range of sizes and classes now available. Class A models offer a true home-on-wheels experience with amenities rivaling small apartments, while Class B vans provide a compact, nimble option perfect for solo travelers or couples. Class C units sit somewhere in the middle, balancing spaciousness and drivability. Each class comes with its unique advantages, and 2025 models have pushed the boundaries of what each category can deliver. The integration of smart technology has become a game changer in 2025. Many new motorhomes now feature advanced infotainment systems, integrated solar panels, real-time diagnostics, and voice-controlled appliances. These smart systems not only make travel more convenient but also improve safety and efficiency. You can control lights, monitor battery life, and even set your water heater using a smartphone app, which adds a layer of luxury and control previously unavailable in older models. Efficiency is another major factor driving decisions this year. With the rise of hybrid and electric powertrains, fuel economy has dramatically improved, particularly in camper vans. Some 2025 models offer full electric options with ranges that support long weekend trips without the need for constant charging. Diesel engines remain popular in larger units for their torque and range, but many are now cleaner and more efficient than ever thanks to updated emission standards and improved engine technologies. Interior design has also evolved considerably. Many 2025 motorhomes now feature modular furniture, hidden storage, and multi-purpose layouts that maximize space. Kitchens are outfitted with induction cooktops, convection microwaves, and compact yet functional refrigerators. Bathrooms come with upgraded fixtures, and some models even offer separate shower stalls and porcelain toilets. The use of lightweight yet durable materials makes interiors feel upscale without sacrificing practicality or adding excessive weight. Sleeping arrangements have become more comfortable and flexible. Depending on the model, buyers can expect Murphy beds, loft beds, slide-out bedrooms, or convertible dinettes. Higher-end models might include memory foam mattresses, heated bedding, and blackout shades. The goal in 2025 is to ensure a restful night's sleep no matter where the road takes you, and manufacturers have clearly taken comfort seriously. Storage solutions in 2025 models have also been reimagined. Every nook and cranny is optimized, with under-bed storage, ceiling-mounted cabinets, and even hidden compartments behind furniture. Exterior storage bays are more organized, weather-resistant, and easy to access. For those who travel with sports equipment, tools, or even bikes, these clever storage features are incredibly practical and often a deciding factor when comparing different units. One often overlooked but critical component is insulation and climate control. Whether you're traveling through sweltering deserts or icy mountain passes, temperature management is key. New models feature improved insulation, double-glazed windows, and efficient HVAC systems that maintain comfort with minimal energy use. Heated floors, rooftop AC units, with inverter tech, and programmable thermostats are increasingly standard, especially in mid to high-end models. Connectivity has become a non-negotiable need for many, and 2025 motorhomes are stepping up. Wi-Fi boosters, built-in 5G routers, and satellite TV systems are now common. Digital nomads and families can stay connected wherever they are, whether working remotely, streaming movies, or keeping in touch with loved ones. This advancement has helped blur the line between being on the road and being at home. Safety has received considerable attention in 2025 models. Features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warnings, and 360-degree cameras are increasingly included, especially in new Class B and C vehicles. Fire alarms, CO2 detectors, and improved locking systems add peace of mind for travelers who spend long periods away from conventional infrastructure. Cost is always a factor when considering a motorhome or camper van. In 2025, Prices can range from affordable $60,000 camper vans to luxury Class A models that exceed $300,000. However, financing options have also expanded, and more dealers are offering custom packages that allow buyers to select the exact features they need without overpaying for ones they don't. Additionally, the growing used market for 2023-2024 models makes stepping into the RV lifestyle more accessible. Environmental sustainability is another influence on buyers. With solar power systems, composting toilets, and graywater recycling now offered in many models, travelers can reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying off-grid freedom. These features are particularly attractive to those who prioritize eco-friendly living, making motorhome travel a greener alternative to traditional vacations involving flights and hotels. Test driving and renting before buying has become a popular trend. Many buyers are now choosing to rent similar models for a week or two to experience the layout, handling, and daily routines. This practical approach minimizes buyers' remorse and helps prospective owners make informed choices that suit their specific travel style and needs. After-sales service and warranty options in 2025 are also more comprehensive. Many manufacturers provide extended service plans, roadside assistance, and mobile repair units that come directly to your location. This increased support system makes owning a motorhome less daunting and more convenient, especially for first-time buyers or those planning long trips across various terrains. Finally, community and lifestyle are crucial elements of the motorhome experience. Social media groups, RV parks, and travel forums make it easy to connect with other travelers, share tips, and discover hidden gems. In 2025, the motorhome lifestyle isn't just about transportation, it's about joining a global movement of people who value freedom, simplicity, and adventure. Buying a camper van or motorhome today means